So basically macam mana coach boleh terlibat dalam grassroots punya
Panjang cerita ni.
Kita pendekkan sikit, kita
Pendek sikit.
mampatkan kat sini.
Back in 2002, ikut wife pergi China.
Okay.
Tak boleh bekerja disebabkan wife is working with the consulate and stuff like that. So I end up main bola dengan sekumpulan cikgu-cikgu sekolah di international school, and dia orang ajak like, would you come and just coach suka-suka on the weekends apa semua. So it started daripada situ.
Okay.
And it got serious lah after that.
At that time coach dah ada CJ kejuruteraan
Tak ada,
belum lagi. I mean,
so I learn by experience lah, and coaches daripada UK, daripada US. So I banyak belajar yang actual grassroots daripada dia orang, where I punya first task was to coach a bunch of 4 and 5 years old kat sana.
4 and 5. That is your first
itu
task.
Permulaan. Babysitting lah.
It's not easy, I think.
Yeah,
it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Sebab to handle 3 to 4 years old.
4 to 5 years
4
old.
to 5 years old. Even anak sendiri pun rasanya agak huru-hara juga.
Yeah.
That kind of dalam usia yang masih tak kenal apa-apa.
Dia lebih kurang job scope masa tu kawal huru-hara.
Kawal huru-hara lah. Kawal huru-hara untuk tidak lebih huru-hara. Yeah. But menarik, bermaknanya.
So it got serious kat situ, and then 2009 I kena balik sini. Wife kena balik sini. And at that point saya dah kenal dengan Little League Soccer Malaysia. So they gave me a job. So basically I kena start from bottom again actually. Okay. I was at some sort of a level dekat Shanghai, but bila balik Malaysia tak ada siapa kenal kan. Okay. So I have to start again from the very bottom in 2009. 2009, and we started at that time Mont Kiara FC.
Okay.
I coach for Little League Soccer, then we started Mont Kiara FC, which is now FC KL lah. Masa tu with Boyan Hodak actually.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Before dia pergi China to take up my assistant coach punya role masa tu. So I was with him masa tu.
Okay. But from your experience ni, is it terlibat secara tak langsung, berminat secara tak langsung untuk conduct grassroots, ataupun memang coach ada this kind of sentiment yang macam I need to start from grassroots?
Tak ada. I think I mean like belajar tak pandai. Belajar tak pandai. Actually the chance of me getting into grassroots ni, I would say like it gave me a career.
Okay.
Memang tak ada plan pun untuk jadi grassroots coach ke apa ke semua, tak ada that plan. But when it started in Shanghai, so it progress like this can become a career apa semua. That's why I was fully into it bila balik ke Malaysia. So bila balik Malaysia tu, dia tak ada intention pun untuk I to kejar untuk masuk the professional setup. Or the older age group, the senior age group, tak ada. So it was like, memang nak contribute kat grassroots saja.
I see. To have someone like you, I think it's a privilege lah in our sport industry.
I think there's still a lot of people out there.
I do agree on that, but you are one of the people that contribute to our grassroots punya pengembangan lah. Yeah. Okay gang, sedikit tentang Coach Shazwan Wong kita, dan untuk the next topic kita sambung selepas ini Coach.